Hey there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss in the house. How y'all doing, boo? So I'm so excited about today's video because today's video is going to be all about these vitamins that I have been using, and I'm not going to share my results just yet, but I do want to share the product itself and just give you something to ponder on, because it may be something that you may want to try in the future. So let's get right into it, boo. Okay, you guys, so y'all know I have been debating back and forth for quite some time if I want to grow my tapered hair, grow my hair in general, or do I want to go back and do I want to recut it. So as a lot of you guys know, I have not cut my hair in quite some time because I'm just so indecisive. I'm just not sure what I want to do. However, because of that, I was online like a couple of nights trying to find me some hair growth vitamins just to give it a try and see what type of results that I'll get. And I stumbled upon Love Char hair growth vitamins. Y'all, so it was between these and another brand, and I decided to go on and get these because I was able to catch these on sale for $8.33. I also love that it gave me the option to choose between gummies and vitamins. Of course, your girl opted for gummies because I don't like anything pill tasting or pill type, so I opt to get the gummies. So y'all, let's really get into the meat of this, because I don't want this to be a talky type of video. I want this to be short, sweet, and simple for you, because my reviews, I prefer them short, sweet, and simple, because I know your attention span is extremely short, because mine is. So you get 90 gummies for $8.33. Again, $8.33 is the sale price. Okay, y'all, these are extremely easy to use. The directions is not long and drawn out. It's about 2 lines, and all it says is that you should take 2 gummies a day and do not exceed 3. Now I'm gonna follow the directions because these gummies are BIOTIN packed. They consist of 5,000 mcg, and I don't know what mcg is, but I'll pop it up here for you so that you'll know and I will know. So yeah, now you guys know I have had a history with BIOTIN, and my history with BIOTIN has not been the greatest. That's why I'm going to stick to the directions and only just take 2, and I'm going to pray that I do not have those same type of results that I had in the past. I want to leave that behind me. But if you're interested in checking out my history with BIOTIN, then I will have either some cards up or down in the description box below. I will have some information regarding that. If you have had some history with BIOTIN, thumbs up this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell's notification so that you can continue to get alerts on new videos that are going to be released each and every week just for your pleasure. Anywho, if you have any allergens at all, keep in mind that these gummies do consist of tree nuts, and it also consists of coconut oil. So keep that in mind. So keep in mind, whenever you're going to purchase any type of medicine or gummies or vitamins and all of that, whether it's online or you walk into a store, that you have a seal here that covers the good stuff on the inside. So as you guys can see, mine most certainly had a seal, but I have been taking some of these gummies, so the seal is of course gone. So I don't know if you guys can see, but those gummies are in there. So here's the gummies, and it looks just like any other gummy you have ever seen. They're kind of sort of squishy, but not really, I guess, if that makes any sense. Yeah. Now let me just tell you guys, these do not have any type of aftertaste. I kind of like the flavor. Although I try to take them in the morning, I prefer to take them in the afternoon because it's just a sweet treat for me after supper. Y'all. They taste like candy. This is strawberry flavor, and they have that right on the front of the container. So if you do not like strawberries, then this may not be for you, because these taste exactly like the old folk strawberry candies. You might not like this one bit. Now, I, on the other hand, really do love strawberries, so it doesn't bother me. So yeah, you guys. Now, Love Char do have a long line of other products as far as hair products go. I've never tried Love Char hair products. I just so happened to stumble upon these hair growth gummies. Also, y'all, I know another thing that may be a big deal for you is where are these vitamins made, or gummies made. So these gummies are made right here in your very own USA. Also, check out Love Char on Instagram. You can find them there as well. They do have their Instagram information on their products, or at least on these vitamins, if you're interested in reaching out to them. Hey, baby. Mama love you. Mama love you. Huh? Where your toy? I keep telling you, go get your toy. I love you too.